Hello friends, another beautiful day here in Dehradun. A little cast sky, and what I want to show you today is a web, of a Gasteracantha, a type of spider, an orb weaver. Now, before mentioning more and revealing it to you, let me talk a bit about those webs. Spiders build different types of webs, and these webs are sometimes representative or very signature of their particular, say, their classification or their identity. The generally seen webs are in the shape of a wheel, which is called the orb web. And that orb web is the identification of particular species or particular groups of spiders, the orb weavers. Now here I have an orb weaver called the Gasteracantha. You see such a beautiful little spider with white top or dorsal part and spots onto it, and Gasteracantha means spines on the abdomen, and you can see those spines on the abdomen. They would slowly grow bigger and bigger and bigger. Now I have a special device with me, this magnifying lens, which I'll fix on this little camera lens, and now we'll get a better view of the spider. A magnified view, there you see. A much magnified view. Now what is so special about this spider's web per se, for which I remove the lens once more and show you the outer streaks of the web. You notice that the web is like a circle, like a wheel, that is an orb, and the outer layers or the outer ridges or the outer lines are not straightforward, but they have bands between them. Now these bands are fuzzes. They are fuzz-like, and they are sandwiched like typically placed bars, and they are found prominently on the outer lines. There you see, this is the outer line with these bars and fuzz-like features. Now what could be the significance behind this? What I presume is that these are regions of more winded up web as an extra supply and serves as springs, and these springs assist the structural stability of the web. With the air or other movements, when there is a distortion or an extension required, then the force is transferred onto these outer layers, these outer strands, which have the potential to expand given the extra degree of web between them, available between them. And this ensures stability of the web structure itself. Now on this web, here we see a female, but nearby there is a male. I'm proceeding a little to the top, and on this you see a little red creature. This is a male. And its counterpart, female, who has just run to the corner. Male is slowly making adventures. Something interesting happening here. The male is slowly making its motion towards the female, and the female is a little concerned. I'll fix this lens again. The female Gasteracantha and a male Gasteracantha. The male is making certain advances which are causing the female to become a little suspicious of his intentions. Remove the lens. It's slightly windy and therefore it's a little shaky. I'd never seen a Gasteracantha male and female prior to this day. Now I'll fix up the lens again. Female has lost interest in the male. And the male is again on the single strand going up. I have to stretch my hand completely to get this picture. Now, so from starting to discuss about the web and its peripheral structural conformity, I have come to find a male and a female Gasteracantha on the same plant, on the same web. This is beautiful. I'll cut out the streaming. Thank you so much.